Hello guys, in this video we will discuss a new lead code question, that is largest number. So what is given to us? That given a list of non-negative integers. Non-negative means it includes 0 also. That's why they have said non-negative, neither positive. Okay, so arrange them such that they form the largest number and return it. We have to find the largest number that is forming, like after the addition of the string, and then we have to return the largest number among them. And also remember that the answer should be in a form of string, neither in a form of the integer. Okay, so let me take you the example and explain you one by one. Okay, so this is my example. What we are trying to do is, first of all, we have to store it in the string array, because suppose we have to we need to compare the largest integer now. So we have to convert it in the string format, like whether 102 is bigger or 210 is bigger. It means like we are doing the concatenation of the string. So it is very necessary to compare the string, not the integers. So that's why it is very necessary to convert that first in the string format. So I have made a string array, and then what I have done is I have taken all the digits one by one of the integer array and convert to the string. That's why I have used integer.toString. It will convert 2 will be converted to the string format, and 10 similarly means it will give me 10, and then we have 2. So this is the string format that my new array will be converted. So this will converted of I will this one. Okay, so now we will compare that whether 102 is bigger or 210 is bigger. For that it is very necessary to use we use comparator. Okay, so converter is hey, this is my array name, and we need to do operation in a comma b, and then we have compared that whether b plus a is greater or a plus b. Okay, a plus b giving me 102, and b plus a giving me 210. So that's why we have compared which is given greater. So greater will be stored in here, array dot sort. Here bigger of it will stored here a comma b, and after the sorting of the array it will give me the sorted array. Okay, now what I have done is we have got the array which is greater, giving me the digits. Now what I need to do is I have to append in a string format, because it is given that we have to return the string. So that's why we have used a string builder. String builder means whenever we need to do any operation, now we use a string builder. So what I have done is I have used a for loop in which we are trying to iterate in a loop, and then what we are trying to do is we are appending the digits one by one. Okay, so we have got the digits in a array, because array dot sort give me the digits in a numeric form, but we have to compare it, and we have to give the result in a string format. So that's why what I have done is I have used a string builder, so that it is concatenating the digits one by one. Okay, so that's why we will get the final result here, that is from 102 and 210, which is greater 210. So it is giving me this one string. This is my answer. Okay, so now you might think that why I have written this. Purpose of this is, suppose we have the string. Okay, suppose we have the string in the form of 0. It means suppose we have 0, then we have 0, then we have 0. So what do you think, that will we get 0 0 0 3 times or 1 time? The answer should be in 0 1 time, because these number of zeros are giving me same answer of the 0. We can't write 0 3 times, so that's why it is very needed. So what we are trying to do is converter of 0. Converter of 0 means we are trying to do the sorting of the numbers now. So greater if we have the greater digit present besides of the 0, it will come at the starting, because we are trying to do array dot sort. But at the starting, if we are getting 0, what does it mean is we have the numeric array which contain all the zeros. So this is a special case. So it is might be present, it might be possible that we are getting all the numbers as 0. So it is very necessary, if the first position is 0, it means we will directly return the 0. Okay, if we are not getting the like 0 at the starting position, it definitely means that all are all like their digit present definitely which is greater than 0. So that's why it is not present uh, like at the 0th position. So it like that's why we are comparing only the 0 digit and we are directly written the 0 out of it. It means if we are having the array which is containing the digits at like all the zeros, so it should directly return me 0. So this is the special case. Okay, so here I have done the similar thing. I have used the converter array, and first of all I have like stored all the like numeric values into the string array so that like we can compare directly. Okay, so array dot sorting, because we need to do the sorting in the string format. Now that's why it is very necessary to first convert it in the string format. Then we have like array dot sorting. Then after the getting like we have got the result, now we have to convert, like it is said to us that the result should be like can be very large string, like that you need to return the string, not a integer array. So that's why like what we have done is like we have used a string builder and we have like appending. Appending means append at the last, like whatever the digit will be, it will append in the last. So that's why we have here like use a for loop and we are like appending it. And this is a special case that if we are suppose getting all the digits as 0, like we have compared only the 0 digit because 0th will give me the highest digit. Like you can see here among this array what the highest digit is 2. So that's why we have got the 2 at the starting. Similarly for here, like we are getting 9 has the highest digit, so 9 is coming at the starting. It means whatever the digit is present at the highest, it will come at the first in my string array. So but if my string array contains 0, it means we have all the digits 0. So that's why we return directly 0. We never write the 0 0 0 10 times if my array contains all the digits 0. So that's why we have written 0 here, and then we will return my result string. I hope आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा. Thank you.